stones and all sorts here, but the digging spat is well able for it. So great tool. All those David tools are fantastic. We're planting today Hydrangea Bobo. Now Hydrangea Bobo is a fantastic hydrangea. Great big strong stems, enormous white flowers like that. Doesn't grow very high. So smothered in white flowers like that, starting about the end of June and finishing in October. Height about 1.5 meters and about a decent metre across. Non-stop flowers, June to October, and strong stems. This is our Hydrangea Bobo here. So starts off white and then turns, you can see a little hint of pink coming in on the label there. So we're looking forward to this. So reliable, all these panicle hydrangeas are fantastic. So decent sized planting hole, little bit of Super Thrive planting fertilizer at the bottom. Hydrangeas are hungry feeders, 2 handfuls for Hydrangea Bobo. We're going to mix in some Swellwell compost as well. 12 months slow release fertilizer there and a wetting agent. So it's important to do a good job on preparation of planting hole. So with that Super Thrive gone in there, and Super Thrive is a planting fertilizer that reduces transplant shock and is slowly released for the plant. Now we'll loosen the roots a little bit. In goes that label there. We'll need to know who he is again in the future. That he's Bobo, and needs to go in a little deeper. So our spackle just pull back some of that soil there and go in a little deeper in our planting hole. Now what we're doing with this fellow, like all the other panicle hydrangeas, cutting them hard back in spring every year and feeding them of course regularly with some flower max to make sure we get lots and lots of enormous flowers. They're wonderful plants and we can encourage them to have marvellous flowers by feeding them. So there's Hydrangea Bobo settled in there, and it'll be here for years and years to come, flowering from the end of June right through until thereabouts end September, early October. Bye for now. Enjoy your garden.